What to do, YouTube? It's your boy Chris, and we are back in fucking Korea. Cause yeah, I just came yesterday in Korea. I'll stay there for 3 months, so I'll make a lot of video from Korea. And if you want, I can also vlog about Korea a bit, cause I'm discovering it right now. In fact, I have few more reports to make for my school, so I won't be going out that much this week. But when it's over, yeah, I'll have a lot of time to do that. Anyway, in this video we will be talking about being better. Being better is letting other people lead you in your projects, lead you in your choices, because you got no choices. You just follow people. That's what being better is. Being better happens in work, but also in relationships. That is 2 different things. You can be better at work and alpha home, or alpha at work and better home. One doesn't imply the other. So, no, in fact, if you've been alpha at home, like a true alpha, you can be better in work. But you can't be alpha in work, though. Alphas in work, they do have businesses. They lead people. They make choices. They decide for others. Whereas a beta in work will just follow the lead of his boss, of his leader. He won't have any choices. Just goes to work every day, does his shift, comes back home, gets his bill, and get kicked out of his job. When people that hires him don't need him anymore. So that's what happens when you've been a beta at work. Just leave each day after day without having a real plan, real ambitions, professionally speaking. Have no certainty in your future at work. One day everything could be perfect, the other day, the next day, they can just fire you. Not for what you did, but just because they don't need you anymore. That's what happens when you've been a better at work. And I don't want you guys to be better at work. I want you to have your own businesses, to run your businesses, have great projects, great goals, work on your shit. But it's not always easy. It comes with sacrifices, with work. You have to work a lot on your business, on your project, on your goals, if you want to really be an alpha, professionally speaking. It doesn't come easy, not at all. You need to have a real plan if you want to start your business. You can't just stop working in your better work and wish for fortune, for success, for wealth in few days, few months. It's impossible. And people that are telling you the contrary are lying. There are many gurus on the internet telling you, yo, you can run your business, you can start a business and become multi-millionaire in less than few months. No, this shit doesn't work like that. Maybe get a chance on a million to become millionaire after a few months, but yo, it's very rare. It doesn't come easy. You gotta work your ass off if you want results. You won't get results if you're just wishing for success. It comes with hard work. And there'll be days when you doubt yourself, when you won't feel like continuing. When you'll ask yourself, is it a great thing am I doing right now? Should I continue? But never doubt yourself. If you have true ambitions, true plans, keep pushing. Of course you can take a few days off to rest, to think about your goals, your projects, the way you'll handle your problems. But never leave. Never stop. Do you think that all those world champions, I don't know, maybe in basketball, in football, in boxing, they just started training for a few months and became successful champions? No, didn't come that easy. Do you think that they really trained only when they felt like training? No, doesn't work like that. They trained every day. Consistency is the key. But it's only the key when you're making efforts, when you're really working. Not like consistency, okay, I'm going to the gym and I'm doing nothing. No. If you go to the gym, work your fucking ass off. Like seriously. It needs to be hard. If it's too easy, nothing will come out of it. And as I said, as nothing comes easy, don't leave your fucking job. Even if it's shitty, even if it's better, don't give a fuck. Just keep stocking your bread. Many of you guys might be young, living at their parents' home, having no car, no driving license and shit like that. What I advise you to do is to fucking stock your bread. Work in your shitty ass job that you don't like. Stock your fucking bread. Pass your fucking driving license. License, sorry. Buy your fucking car. Keep stocking your bread. Then move out of your parents' house. things come step by step. You can't just have everything you wish for in few minutes, in few months. No, it takes more than that. Consistency, be consistent, stock your fucking bread. Keep your money. And then make it work. So that was my message for today. Holla back at you. Like my shit, comment, subscribe. A, B, C, D. Okay. Second one. Like my shit, comment, subscribe. Holla back at you, fam.